I'm Ilango. I was the Panchayat President of this Kuttambakam Panchayat. 10 years I was the Panchayat President. After that, I've been working with other Panchayats to create a platform to share the good practices among the Panchayats. In Tamil Nadu, in other parts of the country also, I got a beautiful network. In this process, I keep on working on finding solutions for the village issues. One of the important issues is providing good toilet facilities for the poor in the villages. Yes, Government of India and Tamil Nadu government, a lot of other agencies, they are keep on trying to provide these facilities, but somehow the completion or reaching a status of open defecation freeness is one of the challenge I feel. One interesting point we have observed is village people, they always look for a standalone model. In fact, though we are providing a community toilets, it's a really complex issue for who will maintain, what should I maintain. Again, the village structure is very complicated, caste, different caste people, different income group of people. It's a problem. So that's why providing individual home toilets, every home let us provide an independent individual toilet. And here in my experience, I put lot of effort in developing simple solutions for providing these toilet facilities. More number of toilets, hundreds and hundreds of toilets have to be provided in villages. These are the complex issues. So keeping all these in mind, I put lot of effort, and we have developed a model, a prefabricated modular type of toilets, where all the components are made as prefabricated slabs and some other metallic components. They are produced mass in a place, in an enterprise, and these modules are brought in and assembled as toilets. In 2 hours time, we can assemble a superstructure. In another 2 hours time, we can finish off the flooring and everything. While designing these toilets, we have taken care of proper height, ventilation, door, and enough space for taking bath, enough space for using latrine. And these toilets are connected with the twin pit soak pits, and these soak pits are prefabricated again. So that also in 1 hour to maximum 2 hours time, you can finish off the connection, soak pits, everything. And we are providing a 200 liters water tank with 2 taps. One is for latrine and another is for bathing facility. And when this model is a comprehensive total model where people are really enjoying this, all these things are taken care, and there are facilities for providing soap, providing towels and all these things. It will be a very complete model which really makes very happy for the people to make use of it. The bath water, which is again a headache for the local bodies. The bath water generally it's running on the roads or streets, or they need a drainage for that. Whereas here the bath water is it's taken, it's absorbed in a soak pit where there are specific plants. They tackle the soap water, they absorb the soap water, and after that the clean water which is coming out of that is again it is sent for a banana garden, or it could be even further used for making vegetable cultivation for in a home garden. With all these things, it comes around 22,000 rupees, 12,000 rupees Government of India subsidy, and 2 to 3,000 rupees the family has to contribute, and about 6,000 rupees to 8,000 rupees we are organizing as a loan from the government, nationalized banks. With all these things, it is possible. So we can make use of the women's self-help group movement to run these enterprises. The modules production unit is designed in such a way the women can easily handle, so that the whole unit is a women-friendly production unit. Apart from making villages open defecation free or towns open defecation free, when the poor families, when the families are provided with such a beautiful toilets with all the facilities, the family's dignity is very well increased. So that's why we call this as dignified toilets, which is ensuring dignity to all the families. And apart from making India open defecation free, The other important components of the Clean India is source segregation at the family level. While providing a beautiful, lovely toilet to families, we are creating a win-win situation. The family can also come forward to adopt this source segregation process. If that is happening, all the wet will be converted as manure in the family itself, or if the space is the crunch, it could be collected by the panchayats and the local governments, and it could be converted as a beautiful manure. The manure will go to the farm automatically. The dry waste are taken for recycle. This way, certainly it is possible to make a clean India.